Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today I have brought 10 amazing kitchen cooking tools from Amazon that are very necessary for your kitchen and will help you save time, so don't drag the video. Watch the whole video, and if you like the video, subscribe and click the bell icon to get more new videos. So guys, let's start the video. Nylon meat masher. Easily cook ground beef and ground turkey with this multifunctional meat chopper utensil. The 5-blade design lets this hamburger meat chopper double as a masher. Quickly mix and mash softer cooked foods like potatoes, yams, pumpkin, squash, rutabagas, turnips, parsnips, carrots, apples, bananas, and more. Heat resistant. The oversized BPA-free nylon head is heat resistant up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, making it a safe tool for cooking ground meat, potatoes, and other hot foods. Safe to use on all types of cookware, including non-stick and coated. Knife sharpener. 3-step knife sharpener. With our incredible 3-slot system, we're revolutionizing the art of knife sharpening. The first diamond sharpening rod repairs and straightens damaged blades before the second slot sharpens to restore its V-shape. Finally, the third slot fine-tunes for a clean polish. Easy to use. Whether you're right or left-handed, the ergonomic handle allows you to restore your cooking knives in a matter of seconds. Simply place the blade in each of the slots and gently pull the knife through a few times for fast, effective sharpening. Cut-resistant glove included. At Kitchalence, we put the safety of our customers above all else. Designed with a non-slip base, our kitchen knife sharpener offers comfortable control while you work. We're even including a cut-resistant glove for added safety. Batter dispenser. Sturdy and unbreakable. Ibeo batter dispenser is newly upgraded to sturdy and drop-resistant ABS material, so you don't have to worry about using it a few times before it is damaged. Don't have to worry about it being broken due to transportation, and don't have to worry about the dispenser falling from the tabletop anymore. The internal mixer system. Ibeo pancake batter dispenser has a built-in manual metal whisk. Just give the easy-to-use mixer a quick turn or two, and the internal whisk will do the rest. The last batch of pancakes will be just as perfect as the first. Potato masher. High-quality stainless steel material. Made of high-quality stainless steel heavy materials and have the ability to resist stains, corrosion, and deformation, it is very durable. Easier for you to prepare food for Thanksgiving and Christmas. Ergonomic handle design. Extended handle measures 11.5 inches, 29 centimeters long, designed for easy leverage so you feel very comfortable to use. No need to quarter or half cut the potatoes. Extra large bowl can handle large potatoes for nearly 3 cups. No need to slice the potato in half anymore. Put it all in, simply press the lever and done. Garlic press. The Zule Kitchen Premium Garlic Press is a standout choice for anyone who frequently incorporates fresh garlic into their cooking. Crafted from durable zinc alloy and featuring a sleek nickel plating, this garlic press not only boasts a stylish silver finish, but is also designed for longevity and resilience. Weighing in at a comfortable 8.4 ounces, its balance is just right for effortless crushing. In terms of maintenance, the Zule Kitchen Premium Garlic Press excels as it is dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze after a busy cooking session. The user feedback is overwhelmingly positive, with an impressive average rating of 4.5 out of 5 stars from over 24,000 customers. This suggests that the product consistently meets or exceeds user expectations, affirming its reliability and effectiveness. One of the key highlights of this product is its ergonomic rubber handle, which provides a secure grip, allowing users to easily apply the necessary pressure without straining their hands. Measuring at 6.7 inches in length and 1.6 inches in width, the garlic press is compact enough to fit in any kitchen drawer while still being practical for daily use. Plastic forks. Durable material. The plastic forks are made of heavyweight material. It is colorless and tasteless. Use a clear fork to eat healthy meals. Suitable for hot foods, plastic forks have been tested to heat up to 176 bars and can be used for both hot and cold food. Thoughtful packaging design. 100-count plastic clear forks, packed in high-quality paper boxes. The sides of the boxes have a design for easy ripping and small windows to see what's inside at a glance. It is convenient for you to take out and keep the rest of the heavyweight cutlery. No washing up. The heavyweight plastic cutlery, available for friends, guests, and customers, while its disposable design promotes quick, hassle-free cleanup when finished. Indulge in the party and do not have to wash dishes and mess. Simply enjoy harmony and convenience. Large size, 7 inches long and 4.8 grams heavy per disposable fork. Clear forks are suitable for tableware of various colors without any sense of violation. OXO Good Grips Vegetable Chopper. Chopping veggies has never been easier. Meet the OXO Good Grips Vegetable Chopper, your new kitchen essential. With a sharp stainless steel blade, it dices onions, peppers, and more in seconds. No more tears, no more mess, just quick and even chopping. The non-slip base keeps it steady for safe use. Plus, it's compact and easy to clean. Perfect for meal prep and saving time in the kitchen. Whether you're making salsa, salads, or stir-fries, this chopper does it all. Ready to chop like a pro? Get yours today. Waffle Maker. Easy to use. With dual indicator lights and a 5-setting browning control, you can choose your waffle's specific cook temp. Ceramic non-stick surface waffle grids easily release waffles and make cleaning effortless. Must-have features: regulating thermostat with red and green, ready-to-bake, ready-to-eat indicator lights. You've also got 1-inch deep batter pockets for thick, delicious waffles. Also stands on end for compact storage. Included, instruction manual and recipe book with several recipes to get you started. Limited 3-year warranty. Refer to user manual for troubleshooting steps and questions surrounding warranty policies. This product is BPA-free. Panasonic Rice Cooker. Makes 6 cups of freshly cooked rice and other foods. This Panasonic rice cooker prepares up to 3 cups of uncooked rice, 6 cups cooked. Use with white, brown, yellow, short, or long grain rice and other foods including oatmeal, soups, and vegetables. One-step automatic cooking. Simple, one-step operation with the push of a button. Includes automatic shutoff function when cooking is complete. Durable non-stick coated aluminum pan. The resilient, non-stick aluminum-coated inner pan is designed to withstand years of continual heat and use, and is easy to clean. Glass lid with plastic white knob. A tempered see-through glass lid with plastic knob lets you safely monitor cooking. Included accessories: a measuring cup and rice scoop are included for easy cooking and serving. Dimensions: WXDH 240 x 198 x 210. Microwave food cover. Perfect match. Electroc microwave food cover and mat tench. Mat is bowl holder to grab food immediately. Cover to keep clean microwave top and 4 sides. Mat to keep clean glass turntable. And with the mat, no burning, no waiting. Multi-purpose. Microwave cover as colander and washing basket for vegetables and fruits. Multi-purpose mat as microwave mat, silicone trivet, pot holder, utensils rest, placemat, hot pad, jar opener, coffee coaster, melting pot. Temperature display. No additional thermometer is needed to help control the temperature of the wax. The wax melting machine will display real-time temperature numbers on the monitor, simplifying the candle making process and improving your work efficiency.